Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into the world of air launcher parachute mounts. So, let's get started. First things first, we'll be disassembling the air launcher to make room for the parachute mount. Once we've got that sorted, it's time to turn down the air launcher to ensure it fits snugly into the parachute mount. Remember, safety is key when it comes to air launchers, so make sure you're following all the necessary precautions. If you're interested in learning more how to videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech content. Step 3, we are going to weld a mounting tube onto the parachute mount. Step 4, cut and polish 1 1/8" tubing. Step 5, turn down tube to fit into existing tube on chassis. Step 6, cut and cope tubing. This tubing already had a bend we could use, so we just coped it to fit how we wanted.
Kind of what I was thinking right there. What do you guys think?
Step 7, drilling holes for plug welds to hold the tube we turned down. Step 8, weld plug holes. You want to make sure you use plenty of filler wire to make sure the tubes stay connected. Step 9, our final step, weld mounting tube to parachute. Until next time, we will powder coat this mount and ship to our customer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts.